Hello and welcome to Diya's Funplay. In today's video, let's see how to explain a wastewater treatment plant. You can call this project as a wastewater treatment plant or a sewage water treatment plant. First, let's see what is sewage water or wastewater. Sewage is a type of wastewater that is produced by people like you and me. Houses, malls, public toilets, restaurants, schools, hotels, and hospitals around the world produce millions of liters of wastewater every day. Wastewater treatment is a process which aims to remove contaminants from the water. This treated water can either be reused or released into the surroundings, thereby preventing water pollution. Only 2.5% of the water in the earth is fresh water, and the remaining are saline or salt water. Out of the 2.5%, only 0.5% of the water is available for us to use, and the remaining 2% is frozen in glaciers, ice, and snow. So, it is absolutely necessary to treat and reuse the fresh water as much as we can. Treated water can be used to water your flower, fruit, and vegetable garden, wash vehicles, flushing toilets, etc. Our channel has many different water treatment model videos that will be helpful for your science projects and exhibitions. There are many different types of wastewater treatment plants. This is one of the models that I made that uses only natural and organic materials for purification process. This model shows a 5-stage filtration process. Wastewater from a residential area at a small factory is purified in this setup. You can see that I have made small houses and a factory model out of paper. I have used 5 different materials in separate containers to purify wastewater. Wastewater from the residential area and the factory is collected in the wastewater collection tank. From here, the wastewater is pumped to the first stage of purification. The first stage contains pebbles and stones. Pebbles can help in filtering water effectively. Research has shown that various types of filters using rock pebbles, pebble matrix filters, and rock debris filtering devices can be valuable in water treatment processes. Large impurities and contaminants are trapped in this stage. The second stage contains gravel. Large gravel can help in water purification by trapping medium-sized impurities. The third stage contains charcoal. Charcoal is ideal for water purification because it can remove toxins from the water without stripping the water of salts and important minerals. Charcoal can also absorb certain chemicals and impurities that causes bad odor in the water. The fourth stage contains sand. Sand is a good water filter because it forms a permeable layer. When the sand particles are next to one another, they have tiny little spaces between them. Pure water can slowly pass through these tiny spaces, leaving behind the fine impurities trapped in the sand. The fifth stage contains cotton. Cotton is good for water filtration due to its 3D structure. Cotton can also separate oil from water effectively. Filtering water with cotton can reduce the bacteria content by about 50%. Bacteria are too small to be filtered directly, but they are often attached to particles in the water. So, cotton can remove bacteria along with the particles. After all the 5 stages of purification, the purified water is collected in a separate tank and reused or discharged into the surroundings in a safe manner. Hope this video was helpful to you. All the best to you and see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Why not subscribe right here, right now? Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.